Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to muffle audio in Davinci Resolve. Let's launch the Davinci app. Click on New Project, then Create. Press Ctrl+I on the keyboard to import your audio file. Now select your audio file. Drag your audio file onto the timeline. If you have only one audio file, then it should be in A2. But if you have multiple audio files, then remember which timeline track contains the audio file. Now, click on the Fairlight tab. In this tab, scroll down and go to the EQ section. Select the EQ of the timeline track that contains your audio. In my case, it is A2. Now, lower band 5 until it sits just after the 2K mark, and set the gain somewhere between -10 and -20. After that, drag band 2 up so the gain is between +10 and +20, and make sure it's positioned just before 1K. If your EQ graph looks similar to this shape, you're basically done. Now play the audio. You can hear that my audio is muffled. But if you notice any distortion, you may need to lower the volume a bit. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.